Hey you guys, I welcome you guys back to my channel. This is Alecia'S kitchen. So in today's video I'll be making these amazing cream puffs. I love you guys so much for stopping by once more. Now let's bake. So okay guys, to make our choux paste, we're going to start by combining the water, butter and salt in a saucepan over medium heat. And I'm just going to bring that mixture to a boil. So okay guys, once my water starts to boil, I'm going to add my flour. But first, you're going to turn your heat down to medium low. You can add the flour all at once. There may also be some lumps, but just try to stir it constantly with a wooden spoon or a rubber spatula. And try to work out any lumps of flour as you go. So okay guys, once the dough clings together and form a ball, all the moisture has been absorbed. You're going to remove that from the heat, okay? Okay, now I'm going to add my dough to my mixing bowl for about several minutes just to cool it down. Then I'll be adding my eggs. Important note guys, make sure your eggs are room temperature. If they're not, just put it in warm water. Just take it from the fridge and just put it in warm water for about a minute or so. Now guys, I'll be adding my eggs and I'm adding it one at a time. And I'm going to mix it until it's completely combined. And guys, all the ingredients will be listed down in the description below. So okay guys, I'm going to pipe my dough with this disposable piping bag that I got on Amazon, and also this nozzle. I don't remember the number, but it's very cheap. You can find it on Amazon. And once you're finished piping your dough, you're going to need to bake it on high heat at a temperature at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for half an hour. Okay, so now that I've removed them from the heat, I'm just going to let it sit there and cool. Now this is exactly how you want your cream puffs to be guys. Now I'm just going to cut through it with a serrated edge knife. Okay, now guys, I'm going to dip the top of my cream puffs in chocolate, and I'm going to drizzle white chocolate over it just to give it, you know, a good look, you know, just so it looks presentable. And for my cream, guys, I'm just going to do something simple, just whipping cream and color it with a pink coloring, the Wilton pink coloring. Yeah, just something simple. If you guys have pastry cream, you can also use pastry cream. I love pastry cream. I just didn't have the time to make it. Now guys, look how gorgeous these look. Oh my goodness, these are award worthy. Okay. These were so yummy, they were so crunchy and soft on the inside. They were amazing, guys. Once again, I thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you guys so much for watching, guys. Please remember to subscribe, comment, guys, share. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.